Good morning. How we doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Let me tweet this out. Live. Elizabeth, channel member, greatly appreciate you as always. Nice orange bull next to your name. I like it. How we doing? Chuck, channel member, greatly appreciate you. I'm ready to run it up this week. I don't know about you guys, but it's looking good. So, hold on. Let me get a couple more things set up. You got the book. Let's see. Book arrives today. Let's go. I like it. I like it. Top of the morning. Good morning. What's up, everybody? Hopefully, everybody had an amazing weekend. Hopefully, you guys are ready. Focus in. Make some money this week. We have a lot of trading opportunities. So, I'm ready. Hold on. Let me do a couple more things, and then we are good to go. Good morning. So, how'd everybody do last week? Your overall week, if you had to rate it on a scale 1 to 10, performance-wise, not even, thinking about the money, but performance-wise, going down to your execution, cutting your winners quick, trimming your profits, letting your winners run. If you had to rate that on a scale 1 to 10, what would you guys give yourself last week? Again, ignoring any potential losses or wins, just execution. There you go, Danny. Gotta check it out, my man. 5 out of 5 green days. I love it. Good job. 7.5. Okay. 7 out of 10. Good. 6.7. 6. 8 out of 10. Okay. 7 execution. 9 money wise. Okay. So performance 6. Okay, so for the ones that are giving yourselves lower numbers, go back. What went wrong? Maybe you were holding your winner, or maybe you were holding your losers too long and you didn't want to accept the loss. Obviously, that's going to bring that rating down, and you just learn a lesson from it. Anyways, so yeah, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We got 140 people in here, 45 likes. Remember, running up to 150 likes, that is when you guys will get the watch list. But yeah. Let's hop right into it. Let me make sure we don't have any economic news today. Hold on. Economic calendar. We do have FOMC on Wednesday. Today, just at 11, we have the NY Fed 3-year inflation expectation. So we do want to know about that. How too long? It happens. It happens. So I actually had Friday was all right. I had a losing trade on Nvidia and then a winning trade, and then those contracts went over 100%. So I was satisfied with my profits on Friday. Could have ended the day red, but trusted my analysis. Went into the green, made a decent amount of money, not as much as I would like, but hey, red to green, that's a win in my book. I followed my execution. I let my winners run, and just had faith in my analysis. So I have a video recap on that later. So hopefully, well, if you guys want to learn, make sure to watch that. Yeah, we'll look at Mara here in a minute, but let's hop into it. We're looking at AMD. So personally, I would have liked to see AMD continue to the upside. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to get that. So I'll watch it below 75.28, take it down to Friday's low 74.68. We break below there, then we're definitely going lower. So AMD, and then let's see, Allstate. The swing. So I'm going to be watching Allstate for a swing trade. Maybe I pulled up the wrong economic calendar. Hold on. Oh, I did. My bad. Yep, you're right. Home Builders Index at 10 o'clock. There we go. Let's see, BK, looking for a swing there. Not too interested yet. Blink, definitely very interested in a swing for that. And then Etsy, I was looking for a swing. Foot Locker looks really good for a swing. Mara, depends if Bitcoin's getting hammered. Oh, it did break below. I mean, you can look to short it. It broke below the head and shoulders. I would personally just like it more if it came down to 10. We'll look at it, actually. See if we can drop down there towards market open. But let's see. I like possibly puts on Mara, maybe even a reject on Mara. Netflix, clear strength against the overall market, breaking out in the pre-market. I will be interested above 245.9. Netflix. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 230 of you in here, 77 likes, running up to 150 likes. You guys get the watch list. And in case you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure you guys are tuning in. You guys get the free watch list every day. Nvidia, not too interested in. When we're in the swing, Tesla. Not too interested in Tesla as of now. Ignore Tesla, Texas Roadhouse, looking for the swing, and then boom. FedEx is not on the watch list. Let's go to Apple. Remember, if it's on the watch list, it will be looked at. If it is not on the watch list, it will not be looked at. So Apple, I like how we have that daily hammer there. But we did gap down overnight. Maybe a reject on Apple towards like 150.4. Or break below 148.71. Actually, no. Friday's low is right there. I mean, you'd be scalping like 35 cents. I'm gonna ignore Apple. Not too interested in it. We got AMD, which is now squeezing on the 4-hour. Just went into a 4-hour squeeze. So definitely want to watch that. Then we have Amazon forming a little bear flag in the pre-market on the 1-hour. Look for the break below pre-market lows, 122. Further continuation to the downside, or a reject at 123.3. All right, so I like Amazon. That actually has room down, so we'll keep an eye on that. Let's look at coin. Coin's got a bear flag in too. Honestly, if coin could fill this gap up to 73.5, I'd be very interested in a reject. Is there liquidity though? Let's see. We're looking for the 73.5 pump. Yes, we could actually go for the 70 puts. So coin isn't a bad one. I only like it if it pumps up to 73.5 though. Costco, don't care about GME, don't care about Google. Yes, I use extended hours. I don't care about Google. Moves too slow for me. Meta, very interested if we crack below 144.29. Could definitely go lower off of that, or we could pump, look for a little reject. But right now, I would say I'm leaning a little more towards bearish today. Netflix, clear strength. We already looked at that. Nvidia, we looked at that. Oxy, getting destroyed. Don't care about that. QQQs in a 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute squeeze. Very interested in a reject. Yep, I'm going to be watching Netflix today. Netflix is going to be the one. If the market pumps, I'm going over to Netflix. Let's see. So QQQ, we'll look at that. Coin Meta. Boom. QQQ. Obviously, always watching QQQ and SPY. Roku, not interested. Shopify. Don't care about Shopify, SPX, SPY. Another 5, 10, 15 minute squeeze. SPY's looking pretty bearish today. If anything, QQQ looks a little strong. You do have that daily gap on SPY. $9.17. The TTM squeeze right down here. I'd be interested in SPY below this low right here, 381.5. If it pumps, then I'll be looking for calls. SQ don't care about, Target don't care about, and Tesla we already looked at, don't care about. So smaller list today: AMD, Mara, Netflix, Amazon, Coin, and Meta. So let's see what we like, what we don't like. Real quick, before we narrow the list, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys want to learn more about my day trading and swing trading strategy and all the indicators on my screen in a 450-page book, like a legit book, that is the link right there. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure to use that link. Anyways, let's go back to the top of the list. Good morning, AMD. Kind of bear flagging on the 1 hour. No, not when day trading, only swing trading. We got that 4 hour squeeze. 73.50, or what is that? 75.93, which is close to that 4 hour 8 EMA. All right, so AMD, I like that. That 75.93 is a nice level for a reject. Got some confluence on the 1 hour and 4 hour. Mara, gonna take that off the list. Would have preferred if it didn't tank overnight. Netflix, definitely gonna keep that on the list. That looks very strong. Nice daily squeeze. If we can break above these pre-market highs, or if this thing can actually slow down. Let's see. Actually interested for a possible bounce as well. There's two areas that we could bounce. First one, 238.36 or 242.29, which is this high right here. So two possible spots. We pretty much got a straight shot to 250 from here. So I like Netflix. Love Amazon, same thing. Bear flag, 1 hour, looking really weak. 123.3 for a reject. Break below 122, we go down to 120.7. So I like Amazon. Coin, same thing. Very interested in a reject. Not too interested in the puts off the open. I mean, could it tank below 69.71? Of course, but I would really like it if we pump up into 73.5. Keep that on watch. And then Meta. Below 144.29. Cool. Let's see. When using stochastic, do you look for crossover signals only in oversold? No, I look for them everywhere. 144.29. 146.38 isn't a bad level for a reject. All right, cool. One of them's got to go. We got to take AMD off. I think I'm going to watch 5. I mean, if anything, coin can be something that we watch on the side. I would just be very interested if we can get up to 73.5. I don't know if that's going to happen, but that's what I'd like. Yeah, let's put out 5. Start with AMD. All right, so AMD 4-hour squeeze, 73 or 75.93 to 76. Looks like a pretty good reject level. We break above there, we can look for calls, or break below 75.28, we can look for some puts. There it is. Yeah, so we got a decent amount of confluence right here. I will be watching that. 73.86. Any SMAs? Nope. Cool. AMD is going on the list. AMD. Watching both ways. 4-hour squeeze. Looking to fire down. I will be watching a reject around 76 for puts, or a break below 75.28 for puts. Failed reject equal calls. Hopefully it doesn't hit that reject in the pre-market. I'd be highly upset if it does. But yeah, 76 is going to be the level. Going to be watching that. Netflix. Okay, I'd be very interested if Netflix could pull back to 238.36. Breaking above the monthly pivot. Breaking above both these pivots. So two possible areas for bounces on Netflix. One of them being Thursday's high, 242.29. The other one being 238.36. Or this thing just keeps pumping over the pre-market highs and it rips. That's the case, 249.96 to 250. I'll just put 250, psychological resistance. 251.99, 259.19. Cool. All right, let's get Netflix out. Netflix. Super strong. If the market pumps, this should be the one to go. I would like to see a bounce at 242.3 or 238.36 for calls. Let's see, or a break of 246.37 for calls. Price target equal. I don't think there's any SMAs blocking it. Nope. Price target equal 250. 252. I highly doubt that we see 259 today. But, I mean, it could happen. Above there, it has a lot more room. All right, there's Netflix. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 142 likes, 216 people in here. Running up to 150 likes. That is when you guys get the watch list. And again, if you guys have not already, make sure to check out my new book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, on Amazon. Anyways, actually, next up on the list is Amazon. Break below 122 for puts. I don't think I'm going to watch that reject, actually, for Amazon. I'd like to see the break below 122. Take it back to 120.7. If we start pumping today, I'll look for calls. 120.7, 120.15. You have to be a YouTube channel member to get the bull next to your name. $120.15 and then $119.53. Cool. Amazon looking for a break below 122 for puts. Below there, could see 120.7, 120.15, 119.53. If it starts pumping, I will look for calls. The tick is not open in the pre-market. You can only see it during the day. So Amazon, I like that. And we got coin. Yeah, I mean, 73.5 on coin. It's a very attractive level. That's only if we get up there, though. Coin. Very interested in a reject at 73.5 for puts. There's coin, and then the last one, Meta. I'm going to wait and see with Meta. I'll wait a little closer to market open for that one. But as of now, missed my swing trade on EU or GBP. A little mad about that. Still letting my Dixie run. Trimmed some of that off last week. Anyways, but now we're watching AMD. Hopefully we don't hit that reject. Netflix. Amazon, coin, and then we got QQQ, SPX, our swing trade on win. Cool. Nice little pump going in the pre-market. That Netflix just keeps breaking. If it keeps pushing, it's going to invalidate. So keep that in mind. Let's see if any of the other analysts put out watch lists today. Not yet. Cool. Yes, sir. Texas back. That's what I'm talking about. Texas Beck's talking about the Dixie as well. I can't talk today. I don't know why. Having issues getting words out. But yeah, remember, Dixie goes up, market goes down. Dixie goes down, market goes up. So watching the US dollar, very important. It is having some resistance up here. It's struggling to break through. Let's pull it up. It's not liking this 110 level. It's got a nice daily squeeze. We're holding that daily 8 EMA. It should fire up, but it just doesn't like this level. So we got to keep a very close eye on this. If that daily squeeze does fire up, the market's going to pull. And we are more than likely going to see 111.63, 112.16, 112.70, and then we got some gaps. If this thing gets up to 115, it is not going to be pretty. But yeah, I would keep an eye on the US dollar. Again, market internal is very important. So what do we have up here? SPX. Guess we're going to have to put the Dixie on the screen today. Running out of screens. Anyways, there's that. How do you become a channel member? If you want to join the Discord, there's two different things that you can do. YouTube, to support the YouTube channel, because YouTube literally doesn't pay me anything, and then half of it goes to my graphic designer anyway. Go to my YouTube channel. You can click join. It's like $10 a month. But if you want to join the Discord, let me drop that here. So if you want anything that has to do with me, Twitter, Instagram, affiliate links for TTM Squeeze, Interactive Brokers, whatever you need, Bookmap, you can find it there. Anything that has to do with me, it's right there. Anyways, so I guess I'll chill out here for a few more minutes, answer any questions you guys got. Doesn't matter what it is, but I will drop the watch list because we got 165 likes. I like it. I like it. So here is AMD. Here is Netflix. And remember, none of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. I'm not responsible for any lost funds, so make sure to do your own due diligence. Use your own proper risk management. But here is everything. AMD, Netflix, Amazon, Coin. Anybody got any questions for today? From India, I like it. So, do I use stochastic slow when day trading? No. Swing trading? Yes. Oil price is down 3%. Sheesh. Trying to see if there's any news. U.S. home value falls in August by largest amount since 2011 from Zillow. Natural gas is down 3%. Queen Elizabeth has her funeral today. I still trade Forex. This person's hating in my comments. That's funny. Let's see. Do you use price action when day trading? Of course. What? What? Of course I use price action. Let's see. But no, I've been doing Forex. Never stopped. Best trading psychology book. Hands down, The Mental Game of Trading. Hands down the best. I put it above Trading in the Zone. Let's see. Oh, you want the videos? I mean, I can do them. It's kind of a waste of my time because they don't get any traction. They get like a few hundred views. So at that point, it's not worth me even doing them. Let's see. When will Netflix invalidate? It kind of already invalidated to the upside. I'm not going to chase calls up here unless I'm given like a really good setup. 5, 8, 21, 34, 55, 89. Fibonacci stack. I don't know what SPY is going to do today. I'm just going to watch price. If we start pumping, I'll look for calls. If we start dumping, I'll look for puts. No reason to short the used car market. Stick to the technicals. Technicals only. Yes, $DXY. It's up on the screen right here. $DXY. Any other questions you guys got? Let's see. Hold on. Oh, you know I like them weekly squeezes. All right, CarMax it is. 23. It looks like that weekly squeeze wants to fire down. I wouldn't be too interested until we start cracking above these moving averages. But right now, the path of least resistance is down. Yeah, I have the TTM Squeeze affiliate link if you want it. Again, you can find it in here. Boom, boom. Yes, Mr. Totem, again, I talk about all of that in my trading book. How I find my support and resistance, Fibonacci, person's pivots, etc. All in this book right here on Amazon. Make sure to check it out. But yeah, so final thoughts about what's going to happen today. Right now we're pumping. Ideally, I would like to look for some rejects, but if the market continues to pump and the dollar gets smoked, I will look for calls. It's that simple. It took me a year and a half to 2 years. I would say more towards the 2-year mark. I would always go for the puts over shorting calls. Because when you short an option, your risk is unlimited. When your profit is limited. When you buy a put, your risk is limited. Your profit potential is unlimited. To me, shorting options makes no sense. 23. 2-3 like MJ. Let's see. Any other questions? Oh yeah, let's also look at the put to call ratio. He call. Thank you, Oscar. You're the GOAT. That put to call is pretty high. 1.14, okay. We could rally today. Keep a close eye on that as well. Hold on. When buying options, do you use a stop? Yeah, so I'll put in a stop only if I think that the market's gonna pull or go completely against the position I'm in. So if I'm in puts and it starts like stalling out and I think, man, this thing's probably gonna pump and I don't wanna, I don't want this thing to surpass my stop, like my mental stop, that's when I'll actually put in a stop loss. Or if I'm squeezing my profits, I'll put in stops then and just move them up as the stock goes in my favor, or move them down if I'm in puts. But most of the time, I would say it's mental, unless, again, I'm in a position and I think the market's going to go against me. That's when I'll put in a hard stop. Put to call is basically how many puts in the market versus how many calls. If there's more puts in the market, could set up for a nice little short squeeze. Grizzly watching a bounce at 241 on Netflix. Guessing that was Friday's high. But yeah, we'll see. Very interested in some rejects today. Of course, AMD wanted to come up towards my reject. You suck. Anyways, so again, none of this is financial advice. Trade smart, trade safe. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Again, if you guys want the book, there's a link for that. If you guys want to join the Discord, there's a link for that. I will be trading live in 20 minutes with you guys in Team Bull. So everybody take it easy. Tune in tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time.